Still on the crime scene, several persons were taken into custody after a high-powered weapon and a pistol were found in a yard in Flankers in St. James earlier today. According to the police, one of those persons, a man, was found with a submachine gun. Acting Operations Officer for the parish, Deputy Superintendent of Police Roderick Reed, gave details on this morning's find.
This morning, the police, along with our military counterpart, embarked on an operational activity in the Flanker community. We subsequently seized 2 illegal weapons, which we removed from this community, one being a submachine firearm and the other a 9mm pistol. Now, this brings to 8 the number of illegal weapons removed from the streets and communities within the St. James Division.
DCP Reed also revealed that the police have removed over 150 rounds of assorted ammunition from the streets. He reassured citizens that the police will stop at nothing to rid the communities of illegal guns.
We continue operational activity, and we also ask and advise the public to bear with us, the police, as we continue to do the operational activities within our communities.